Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 14. Verily, this divine illusion of mind, made up of gunas, caused by the qualities, is difficult to cross over. Those who take refuge in me, they alone can cross over this illusion.
Chapter 7, Shloka 14. Daivi hyesha gunamayi mama maya duratyaya mameva ye prabadhyante maya metam tarantite.
Chapter 7, Shloka 14. The power of Maya deludes the individuals and their egos come to suffer universally. In this shloka, the power of veiling is described. Lord explains what is Maya, how it deludes the individuals, and how to overcome it. The Supreme has fallen to become the deluded ego due to the power of the Maya, which has created the objective worlds of sorrows and imperfections. Krishna is the doctor of the universe and declares that the disease of Maya, though difficult to cure, is not incurable. He not only explains the seriousness of the disease, but also gives a prescription and guarantee a complete cure. Those who completely devote themselves to the self shall cross over the subjective mental delusion, the cause of all sorrows of the world. How this can be done has already been explained in the chapter on meditation. To contemplate on the self is the straight path, and in order to walk this narrow path, the mind must be steady and single-pointed. Through the process of karma yoga as explained in the earlier chapters. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.